Here's a 2017 Ford Super Duty F-350 single rear wheel. This truck has a super strong work ethic and it's ready to punch in when you are. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, driver selectable mode, trailer brake controller, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Sync Services Wi-Fi hotspot, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, mirror-mounted spotlights, electronic shift on the fly, rear parking sensors, and V8 engine. Car and Driver remarks the full-size truck world remains wedded to the idea that bigger is better and that too much power will never be enough. Ford has won over millions of loyal customers with a wide range of value-driven vehicles. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
At Metropolitan Ford, you'll always get a great experience and a great price. Stop in and see us today. We're conveniently located off Plaza Drive in Eden Prairie.